check out these Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Couplers. In this video, we're going to go over the key features, the inbuilt safety aspects, and the dedicated fitting kits that make up this whole package. The Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Coupler is a twin locking coupler. Now this enables you, from the comfort of your cab, to be able to safely connect and disconnect from your buckets or attachments at will. Our Hydraulic Quick Coupler range is made up of cast versions and also fabricated versions. Now this gives us the flexibility as a manufacturer of couplers to be able to adapt to the ever-changing models as they come to the market, allowing us from our existing range to be able to work them for your pin pickups. One of the first advantages that you'll notice when working with Rhinox for your hydraulic quick couplers is that it comes delivered the right way up. This means when you take the box off, your coupler is sitting ready for you to add the tail hoses and connect it straight up to your machine. We don't supply our quick couplers with pins, but if your excavator doesn't have pins, please let us know and we'll work with you on this. Now, our hydraulic quick coupler range comes with a number of inbuilt safety features. Number one is the twin locking mechanism. Now this secures the front and the back pin of your attachments when in use. Now the locking rear latch locks the rear pin of your bucket or attachment into place with an oversized coil spring. Now this provides positive pressure on the rear latch to ensure that it remains closed when in use. You will also notice on this curved front hook, it has a deadlock latch. Now this ensures that when the front pin is engaged, there's no possibility of your bucket or attachment detaching or ejecting when in use. You'll also notice on the curved front hook here, this added feature of the pin pocket. Now this is to ensure that when you're attaching your bucket or attachment, it prevents it sliding away when you're seeking to engage. This also works in the reverse. So when you're releasing your bucket or attachment, it prevents it sliding straight off and just allows you to drop the attachment or bucket to the ground and release safely. Now you'll be glad to hear that all of our hydraulic quick couplers on both the front and the rear hook are tested beyond the breakout force of your machine. This is to ensure that we're completely confident in the structural integrity of our hydraulic quick couplers. They're also fitted with an inbuilt check valve. This is to ensure that you always maintain a positive hydraulic pressure in the event of a hydraulic system failure such as a hose breakage or a hose disconnect. Now the whole point of this is to prevent the unsafe ejection of your bucket or attachment. Imagine a hose going down and the sudden release of pressure was to release your bucket or attachment, which could pose potential risk to you, the machine, or even the groundsman. Now we all know with the variety of excavator machines, makes and models now in the UK market and Europe and abroad, the pipework that comes from factory can differ so much from machine to machine. Now this means that a one-size-fits-all fitting kit is no longer what you require. It could mean that it comes with hoses that are too long, too many parts, or even not enough parts or the right parts. That is why Rhinox has taken the time and effort to really dig into each machine and bring about a dedicated fitting kit with just the right length hoses, the right amount of connections, ensuring that you can fit your fitting kit exactly to the right model of machine. Now this also saves you an incredible amount of fitting time. Each fitting kit that we supply from here at Rhinox, along with your coupler, comes with everything that you need to be able to smoothly and quickly fit your package to your machine. This includes the right length hoses, the correct connections, and also individually bagged and labelled with a descriptive action plan of how to fit that to your relevant machine. Now, depending on your machine, it could include parts such as the hoses and the fitting kits, the solenoid valves, your check valves, your control box, but this does depend on your make and model of excavator. Some of them come pipe down, as we've already said, and in which case you'll need a fraction of these parts, simply just tail hoses, electrical parts, and then your hitch to fit straight to your machine. Now Rhinox's OEM style coupler activation switches can be neatly installed in your dashboard, enabling you to unlock and re-engage the coupler from the comfort of your cab. And again, on our coupler control unit, this has a series of LEDs allowing you to be able to test the functionality and can also be used for troubleshooting. Now all of our connectors are clearly labelled and colour coded so you know which parts go with which. Now this will save you endless amounts of time when on site. If it's your first installation or even if it's a repair, we're all about saving you time and money and reducing downtime. Now, to make installation even easier, we've gone a step further and we produce a step-by-step fitting guide and instruction booklet along with a technical drawing pack, which ensures you know the step-by-step fitting instructions for your relevant machine and hydraulic fitting kit. Now, these aren't vague, they're a detailed fitting kit diagram pack. This ensures that you can see exactly step by step where your components should go and the routes that your electrical components and hoses should be routed through for maximum efficiency. Alongside this, our fitting kit is split down into individually clearly labelled bags which correspond to the step-by-step fitting guide. This ensures that you don't have to rummage through those box of parts looking for that one piece or that one connector that you need to be able to complete your fitting. For example, let's take bag 8, the complete solenoid valve kit. Everything that you need for that step, all in one bag. Every Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Coupler comes with a user manual, with your inspection record sheet. Also comes with some stickers, one for the cab, which is your instructions sticker, and then 2 boom arm safety stickers. Now, I can guarantee there are many people wanting to ask this question out there, and that is, how easy is it to maintain one of these Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Couplers when out on site? And we've thought about this along the whole R&D development process, and it's designed as a simple, minimal moving parts coupler, ensuring that when it comes to servicing and maintenance, there is minimal downtime for you, whether you're out and about on the site or in the yard. And number 1, there is no greasing points anywhere on this coupler. This means simply no mess. And full servicing can be completed within an hour. That means complete disassembly and reassembly in as little as 15 minutes. So what happens when it comes to me needing a part for the couplers? Rhinox holds the parts on the shelf for the same day dispatch, and we know that is market leading in the industry. Now, each of our couplers, regardless of size, regardless of cast or fabricated, come with a product data plate which is on the inside face of the body of the coupler. This includes your serial number, your product part number or SKU, your working load limit, the weight of the coupler, date of manufacture, and your coupler revision number. Your coupler also has a built-in lifting eye. Now, this is Lola rated between 800 to 5,000 kilos depending on the size of your coupler. And you'll also notice that this may vary from the cast to the fabricated. On the cast coupler, we have it front and central on a single eye, and on some of the larger fabricated couplers, we've put a twin lifting eye. This allows you to be able to effectively lift, again, centrally using 2 D-rings. Now, as we said, the working load limit varies per coupler or per size of your machine. And you can find this on the product data plate on the inside body of your coupler, as well as being stamped or welded to the frame of your coupler. When you receive your coupler, you will be provided with a certificate of the Lola rating for the relevant time period stated. Now, every one of our hydraulic quick couplers, whether it's cast or fabricated, comes with an optional 2-year warranty on the frame and 12 months internal. This is detailed in the leaflet or operator's manual that is provided when we supply your quick coupler to you. Now, to qualify for this 2 years warranty, you must register your coupler, whether it's at dealer level or at end user level, on our website via the link provided or on the tag provided in the pack with your coupler. If you have brought your machine through a dealer, which many of you will do, don't assume that it has been registered. Always check with your dealer that they have done the registration prior to use, as this could invalidate your warranty. Now, if you want to purchase your very own Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Coupler, they are available on our website. However, if you are unsure which coupler fits your relevant machine or just want some advice and help to speak to someone, a human on the phone, then please get in touch. We are more than happy to help and assist and support you with your purchase. You're also well within your right to stipulate what products you want on your excavator with your dealer. So if you want one of these excellent hydraulic quick couplers with your machines that are coming from your dealer, whether it's one machine or multiple machines, we can work with you and the dealer to ensure they are fitted to your machine prior to delivery. Now, having this vast amount of stock means that we can dispatch the same day to you, and that is something that is not expected in the industry. So there you have it, an overview of the Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Couplers. If you want to learn more, then check out our playlist for more relevant videos on our hydraulic quick coupler. One of the hydraulics. Now, each of the hydraulic, I said it again.